Hello everyone. So today we would like to present to you our project benchmarking and progress review entitled Cartesian Machine with Conventional Control. Next. So first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nisa Warih Ardiningrum, and I am leader of this project. And then we have Muhammad Firdaus Zavani and also Samuel Marcel Sirait as a mechanical, and also Amin Muhammad haiqal as a project PIC, and the last one is Afif Aditya as an electrical. Next. So this PowerPoint will have some contents. The first one is introduction. The second one is progress. The third is objective. Fourth is for distribution. Fifth is challenge. Sixth is knowledge gain. And the last one is 7-week plans. Next.
Okay, let me give you a quick update on our project progress. First, on the mechanical side, we have completed all the mechanical design and finished cutting the linear rods, acrylic parts, and linear shafts. We have also assembled the mechanical side parts and gathered around 80% of the total mechanical components. Currently, the mechanical team is working on assembly progress. We are still waiting for the belting component and confirmation for the button bracket or housing before moving forward. Next, for the electrical side, all electrical parts have been gathered, and each wire has been cut into 1 meter lengths in preparation for installation. However, the electrical process is currently waiting for the mechanical part to be fully assembled before continuing. In summary, both teams are making steady progress. The mechanical assembly is almost done, and once that's completed, the electrical installation will follow. We expect similar integration the next phase. Next, please. So, for objective, main objective is to build a mini Cartesian with 2-axis machine with 2 buttons for its control. And the key performance indicators, first is movement. This machine was be able to move right, left with x-axis and up, down with z-axis. The second one, control. Be able to control conventionally with 2 buttons as it controls. And third one is mechanical. Mechanical standing strong and firm. Next, please.
Team role and responsibilities. Nisa Warih Ardiningrum as project leader. The first responsibility is time management. The second responsibility is team coordination. And the last, stakeholder management. Amin Muhammad haiqal as project PIC. The first responsibilities is ensuring project complete in time. The second responsibility is handling mechanical and electrical issues, and the last, mechanical and electrical assembly. Muhammad Firdaus Zavani and Samuel Marcel Sirait as mechanical. The first responsibilities is handling cutting issues. The second responsibilities is mechanical frame assembly, and the last, handling 2D and 3D design. The last, Afif Aditya as electrical. The first responsibilities is handling electrical assembly. The second responsibilities is ensuring motor move correctly. And the last, motor and button integration. Next.
Okay, next one is the challenge. So during the project, we met into a few challenges. So there are 4 main challenges that we face. The first one is component delay. The first issue was simply waiting, like some essential parts were slow to arrive, and some still haven't, like bearing, belting, and spoon, which forced us to pause assembly and adjust our timeline constantly. The second one is acrylic curing time. Our acrylic glue doesn't dry instantly. We found that the curing time is very long, like 4 until 5 hours. Actually, it's dry for like 1 hour, but still not strong enough to hold the acrylic. So we have to wait until the structure is truly strong and doesn't fall apart. Third one is laser cutting tolerance. The pieces that cut by the laser machine were slightly at about 0.5 to 1 millimeter inaccurate. This is happened because we didn't know the exact machine tolerance beforehand. And the last one is linear rod and lead screw fit. We had trouble with the linear rod fitting into the lead screw because the initial sanding wasn't accurate enough. So we need to be much careful with our measurements and descending to get the perfect fit. Next.
And now knowledge gain. And we know first is conventional control system design. Second one, practical fabrication and tool handling. Third one, fundamental engineering principle. And fourth one, project management and risk mitigation.
So this is our 7-week plan. For the first until the third week, we have to complete final electrical wiring and motor assembly. And the fourth until fifth, we make a system integration and initial functional unit testing is the X and the axis movement test. And in the 6th week, we make a troubleshooting, refinement, and final system calibration. And for the last week, we have to make a final report documentation and project presentation preparation. Next, please. So this is our result. You can see that we have some part of acrylic that assembled, and there is lead screw and aluminum stuff. Next. Thank you. So that's all from us. Thank you for your attention and see you at the next benchmark.